Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise which is algebraic identities. Okay, and in that class, dear student, we discuss all the important algebraic identities which we in your syllabus, and we take so many questions of your NCERT exercise based on that identities. Okay, now today we also take a very important some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on that all that algebraic identities and solving them. Okay, so please, dear friends, please concentrate on that class and please take now we take and solve some important algebraic questions based on algebraic identities. Let's see. We take first question. Write in expanded form. Dear students, your first question is write minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square in extended form. Okay, in extended form. Okay, difference. Now look here, write what minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square in extended form. Okay, this is one of the most important questions of your NCERT exercise based on identities. So let's see its solution. Let's see, dear students. First of all, since you know that we know that what I write, we know that question expanded on the identities a plus b plus c whole square. So we write as, we know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, listen. We know that the formula a plus b plus c whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now based on we can solve the given question based on the same identities. So let's see, that is, we can write in this way, minus 2x, we can write plus y plus we write minus 3z whole square. Okay, listen, we can write the given question in this way also. So now here we take, this is form A, this is B, this is as C. Okay, now what we do? Now we expanded them based on that identities. Let's see. Now look, this is a square. A is what? Minus 2x. So a square plus b square means 5y square plus c square means what? Minus z3z square. Okay, minus 3z. Now minus plus 2ab. 2 into a means minus 2x. B means what? 5y. Okay, now minus 2z into 5y. Now plus 2bc. 2 means b into b means what? 5y into c means what? Minus 3z. Okay, now plus what? 2ca. 2ca means 2 into c means what? Minus 3z. A means what? Minus 2x. Okay, now what I do? Now we expanded, now we simplify them. Let's see. So we get as what? Look, 2 to the plus 4x square plus 5 5 the 25y square. Now 3 3 the plus 9z square, because of different the square of minus converted into the plus now. So we write what? 9z square. Now plus minus 2 to the 4 5 the 20 xy plus minus 2 5 the 10 10 3 the 30 yz. Okay, this one 30 yz, and finally plus minus 2 3 the 6 to the 12 zx. So dear student, this is our required solution of the given question. Okay, so dear student, in this way we use all the algebraic identities in this way. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, dear student, now we take and solve some other question based on the algebraic identities. Let's see. Now, your question which is very detailed question. Let's see. If a square plus b square plus c square, we take if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 20. And now next question is if, dear students, what? If a square plus b square plus c square is equal to what? 20. Okay. And a plus b plus c is equal to 0. And a plus b plus c is equal to, dear friends, 0. Find AB, BC, CA. Find AB plus BC plus CA. This is the question here. Okay, dear friends. Here we have what? We have the value a square plus b square plus c square. The value of a square plus b square plus c square is what? 20. Okay. And also we have the value of a plus b plus c is what? 0. Okay. Now we find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Now let's see its solution. Dear student, in that question we apply the identity a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, let's see its solution. Since we know that, dear student, we know that what I know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. Dear friends, we can write the identity in this way also. Means what? A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB, BC and CA. We can write now. Okay. Now look. Now let's see. Here the value of A square plus B square plus C square is what? As 20. So we put at that place as 20. And the value of a plus b plus c is what? 0. So here now from question we put as a plus b plus c as what? 0. So we write 0 square is equal to, and the value of a square plus b square plus c square as 20. So here we put 20 plus 2 times we write as, we find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. So we write that value as it is, which is what? AB plus BC plus CA. Now look, we have what? 2 times AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 20. Transfer that side, minus 20. Thus here 2 times the 20. That is the value of AB plus BC plus CA is equal to minus 10. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, dear friends. So this is the process to solve that type of question. So dear students, first first of all you observe all the questions, then after you decide that which identity is applied in particular question. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now dear students, we take and solve some other type of question based on the identities. Okay, let's see. Let's see, dear students, some other question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see. Look. And your question is, find the product. Your question is, find the product. Okay, and your question value is 4x minus 5y. In another bracket, 16x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. Dear friends, this is also very important question of your NCERT exercise. What we do, we find that product. Okay, product of what? 4x minus 5y in one bracket, and in another bracket there is 16x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. Now look at solution. Dear friends, since we know that first of all we write what? The value of a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b in one bracket, okay, and in another bracket this is a square plus ab plus b square, okay. Now from question, let's see, we can write 4x minus 5y, and in another bracket we write as 4x square plus 4x into 5y, okay, and plus we write as 5y square. Okay, this one. First of all, we arrange the given question in this way. Now look, suppose that this is the value of a. This is a, this is b. This is a, b, and this is a square, this is b square. Now look, this one, the given question based on the same identity means a cube minus b cube. So we can write a minus b in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square as what? A cube minus b cube. So dear friends, we get what? The value we can write a as a cube minus b cube. A means what? 4x cube, okay, a cube, minus b cube means what? 5y cube. After solving them we get what? 4 4s are 64, 6 4 4s are 8, 16, 4s are 64, x cube minus 1, 25 y cube. This is our required solution of the given question, which is what? 64x cube minus 125 y cube. Okay, thus dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, now we take some other important question based on algebraic identities. Okay, let's see. Let's see, dear students. If a minus b is equal to, your question is, if a minus b is equal to 4 and a into b is equal to what? 45. Find the value of a cube minus b cube. Find the value of what? A cube minus b cube. Dear students, for that question, we apply the identity a minus b whole cube. Let's see its solution. Dear students, since we know that a minus b whole cube is equal to what? A cube minus b cube, okay, minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay, different. In previous class we discussed all that type of identities. Now in that question we apply that. Because of why we apply that identities? Because of in that question we already have the value of a minus b and also we have the value of a into b. So in that, for that question we apply that identities. Now look, so we put the value of a minus b as 4. This is 4 cube is equal to the value of a cube minus b cube, write as it is because we find the value of that, minus 3 into ab. The value of ab is what, dear friends? 45. So here we put what as 45 into the value of a minus b is what? The value of a minus b is what? 4. So here we write as 4. Now look, the value of 4 cube is what? 64. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. So here we write 64 is equal to the value of a cube minus b cube, write as it is, minus 4. Now we multiply them, we get what? 135 multiplied by 4, 540. Okay, and we multiply them and we get what? 540. Okay, now look, Now we can write here student the value of a cube minus b cube is equal to 64 minus transfer that side, so plus 540. Now the value of a cube minus b cube is equal to 604. Okay, this is our required answer. 604. Okay, thus dear student, in this way you apply the algebraic identities and solve that type of questions. Okay, now dear student, we take some other important questions based on the identities a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, which is very important identities, and previous class we also discussed some very important result based on that identities. Okay dear students, now let's see it. We take some questions based on that topic. Let's see. Find the product. Your question is find the product, and your question 2x minus y plus 3z, and in another bracket 4x square plus y square, 4x square plus y square plus 9z square plus 9z square plus 2xy plus 3yz plus 3yz minus 6xz minus 6xz. Okay, this is the question here, and therefore in that question what we do, we find the product of these. Therefore in that question find the product means it is not means that we generally find the product. We solving that question by using the algebraic identities. We only in that type of question you don't multiply directly, you don't find the product directly, but in that type of question you apply the algebraic identities, then based on that question solving based on the algebraic identities. Okay, not a directly product. Now let's see. Therefore this result, first of all you observe all the questions, which is the form of that equation, which form, which that question solved based on which identity. Therefore you know that one important algebraic identity is this is the form of a plus b plus c in one bracket, and in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this so that question based on the identities were a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, now let's see its solution. First of all you write, since we know that what we know that, let's see, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c in one bracket, and in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We know that now that algebraic identity is. Now look dear friends, first we arrange the given question in this way. Thus from question let's see, we write as what? 2x write as it is. Now look, from question we write 2x as it is, plus we write y as minus y as in this way, plus 3z right as it is. Okay, now in another bracket we write what? This is 2x square a square plus b means we write minus y square. Okay, now plus 9z square we can write 3z square minus ab. A means what? 2x, b means what? Minus y. Okay, minus ab. Okay dear friends, now minus bc, b means what? Minus y, and c means what? 3z. Let's see, then we get minus minus plus 3yz. Okay, now minus ca, c means what? 3z, a means what? 2x. Okay, dear friends. Then we apply we write now 3 to the 6x. Now look, we first of all we arrange the given question in this way. Now what I do? Now let's see, dear friend, if we observe that identities, then that questions based on the that identities. Let's see why, kaise, how. Look here, this is suppose the A, this is suppose the B, this is suppose the C. This is what A square, this is what B square, this is what C square. This is what A to B, this is what B to C, this is what C to A. So this question based on A plus B plus C in another bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So we can write what? We can write as A cube means log thus by formula, yeah, by identity. By identity we have what? A cube means 2x cube, A cube plus B cube means what? Minus what? B cube, okay, minus Y cube because the value of B is minus Y, plus C cube. The value of C is what, dear friend? The value of C is what? 3z. A cube plus B cube plus C cube, okay. Now minus 3abc. 3 into A means what? A means what? 2x. B means what? Minus y, okay. You write minus in always bracket, in bracket. 2, 3 A B C. 3 A B and the value of C is what? The value of C is what? 3z. Now we simplify them, we get what? 2 to the 4 to the 8x cube plus, sorry, there's a minus y cube, so power is out, so answer is in minus, so here we write minus y cube here plus 3 to the 9 to the 27 z cube, okay, z cube. Now look, minus different plus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 18, this is plus 18 x y z. So the required answer is what? Let's see the answer. 8x cube minus y cube minus plus this. Yes, this is our right answer. Okay, this is our right answer. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve that type of question. Dear students, this is also a very important questions of your NCERT exercise based on the identities A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3abc. Okay. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these identities. Okay. Now we take and solve some other questions based on that identities. Let's see. Dear students, in previous class we discussed a very important result. In previous class we discussed a very important result based on the identities A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3abc. Let's see once more time, and then after we take a question based on that identity. Yes, in previous class, since we have you know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus B plus C in one bracket and A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Okay. If yesterday I discussed about the condition, if the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0. If the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then what we have? We get right part of that identity becomes 0 now. If you put here 0, then 0 into that is whole 0. So right part of that identities becomes 0 now. So thus A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3abc is equal to what? 0. Thus we have what? Minus 3 transfer that side. So we get an important result, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to what? Minus 3 we transfer that side, so we get plus 3abc. This is a very important result. Okay. Now, based on that result, there are so many important questions in your NCERT exercise. So let's take one important question, one question based on that identities. Let's see. without actually calculating, your question is without actually calculating now, without actual calculating the cubes evaluate without actually calculating the cube evaluate, and your question is 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Okay, students, without actually calculating the cubes evaluate this. Now what I do, dear students, let's see its solution. First of all, we take, let a is equal to 28, b is equal to minus 15 and c is equal to minus 13. Okay, then what I do, let's see. Dear student, in that type of question, first of all you take the value, each and every value as a, b and c. Okay, similarly here we take a is 28, b is minus 15 and c is what, minus 13. Okay, dear students, now we find the value, check it, the value of a plus c. Now a plus b plus c means what, 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13 means what, 28 minus, this is 28, cancel to each other, so we get what, 0. In this way, dear student, we get the value of a plus b plus c is what, 0. We get the value of a plus b plus c as what, 0 na. Thus, if we know that, thus the value of a plus c is 0, then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is what? Yes, thus the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3abc, because of just I discussed that topic. Now here the value of a is what? 28, so here we put what? 28 cube plus the value of b take as what? Minus 15 cube plus the value of c is what? Minus 13 cube is equal to 3 into a means what? 28, b means what? Minus 15 and c is what? Minus 13. Okay, dear students. Thus, dear students, first of all, in that question, in that result, we put the value of a, b and c now. So the value of a is 28, the value of b is minus 15, the value of c is what? Minus 13, and so is equal to 3abc. Now after simplify them, look, what is your answer, dear students? This is minus converted into the plus now. Yes, and after solving them you get your result as 16,380. 16,000, yes, 380. Dear friends, after multiplying them you get your result as 16,380. Okay, let's see once more time. Dear friends, in that type of question, this is very important question of your NCERT exercise. Just in all that type of question, first of all you observe that if you have that type of question, first of all you find, first of all you take as a, b and c. The value of a is this, b is this, b is that, c is that. After that you find, okay, next step, find the value of a plus b plus c. Okay, without actual calculating. You don't find the cube of the any value directly. You apply the identity. So for that, first of all you check out the value of a plus b plus c. If the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, dear student, then you apply that result directly as a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So in that question we apply the same result, and after solving them we get our result. So this is our required answer. Okay, thus dear student, in this way today's class we discuss some important algebraic identities of your NCERT exercise, and we take and solve some important questions based on them. Now in next class we take and solve some other important questions based on the identities, question based on factorization, and then in next class we take and solve some other question of your NCERT exercise. Okay dear students, now thank you all